In this video, we're going to send emails in both HTML format and text format at the same time. So you've built a text email and an HTML email, and you want to send them both to the client at the same time, but you don't know what email client that the person receiving the email is going to be using. You don't know if they're going to be using a plain text client or an HTML client. Well, eFORMz will send the appropriate format to the appropriate client, but you have to configure it. And fortunately, it's very easy. We've already configured our email provider here, and we have configured the HTML email that we're sending. But we've also built a text email, so we want to add that too. So what you're going to do is similar to what we did in the sending an HTML email video to create the this portion of the eDirect Plus process. We're going to add one more thing to that eDirect Plus process, and that's just sending the text email. So we'll right-click the email icon and select Add Body, and we'll right-click that body and select Add Content and Generated. But this time, instead of selecting the HTML format, we're going to select the text format, and we'll select OK. We're going to right-click the text format, and we'll select Add Forms, and we'll select the text form that we created that had all of our plain text email on it. And we're good to go. And just to test it out, to see what it looks like, you can select Run and Process with eDirect Plus from the main menu. And if you're using a client that supports both, you can see them both. If you're using a client that supports one or the other, it's good to take a look, both at the plain text email and how it's looking and the HTML email. So that way you'll know what they look like, can change them around a little bit if need be, and then you're good to go when you send them out to your customers.